big stomach.
Uncle Mecca has what?
Big stomach.
Eh?
And he has a very bald head. And also, he has a big stomach.
I got a friend.
See you with the big boys.
War where Davido want start with Chioma, so me I no understand that, my darling people. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today na about Davido and the baby's mama there and Chioma. Una know say me, I know the quick talk for Chioma matter, but this one it really come they do me somehow. I say no, I go talk for this one. If I not talk for this one, waiting again, my people. More na listen, they say trouble they sleep, yanga go wake am o, my people. Una know say Davido ever since in the Ghana with e two baby mama and Tiwa and the children. It dey very good though, say e do am like that, but wetin make am no carry Chioma follow body go Ghana? Na me no understand, because Chioma na one of e baby mama too. Hey, this life, you know, balance. So I been at the people wey dey the world, na e no balance, my people. How Davido go do this kind thing to Chioma? How you go carry your two baby mama dem go Ghana? You don't carry Chioma follow body. E get as e be, my people, really, like seriously. This war wey in one start, so e get as e be, oh, my people, oh. Chioma na one of the baby mama. Okay, wetin make Davido not carry Chioma follow body? Na me no understand, my people. Hey, hey. Wahala dey, oh, wahala be like bicycle. Hey, hey. The thing dey shocktalize me, like seriously. Wetin make Davido not carry Chioma follow body? I be think say in with Chioma don settle back, oh, because I dey see Chioma, they always they post the picture, they post their videos before. Una know say where they get katakata that day. Chioma no can get all those pictures again. Okay, now Chioma can go they upload the after the birthday of his son. Wetin make Davido not carry Chioma follow body? Na me no understand. Tiwa they there. The two baby mamas they there. The two children they there. Okay, what's it make you not gonna carry your son follow body and Chioma? That part, my people, how na the reason? Me, I the reason am somehow, oh. I the reason am say, Davido, you do pasha for yeah, oh, my brother. The truth, not say me will not talk am, eh? Davido do pasha for yeah, like seriously. And I know say me, Lady J, if I see truth, I dey talk am. He get the way the team take play. Davido, you not do this one well, my brother. You not do this one well. The truth have to be said, I beg. You not do this one well. At least you supposed to carry Chioma follow body. Chioma say like enjoyment now. Oh, that my girl, that my quiet girl. I too love that Chioma. Oh, the thing they pay me. I go want talk for the matter sometimes. I'll say no, but this one, no. I must talk for this one, my people. Davido not do this one well. Ha. At least Chioma na say na one of your baby mama na. And you go carry the two go, except say man not too judge, oh, except say maybe Chioma they busy. Maybe not fit go because I don't say they'll put sugar for a mouth. You go say no go leak now. You say maybe we'll go groove. I can't say hey, I don't go. But you carry your two baby mama go. Chioma no can follow you. I bet you want carry Chioma will separate. Maybe because I know say Chioma, you will be love each other well, not be small. Your assurance, oh. Chioma na your assurance, oh. Not leave Chioma like that, oh. Davido will not go green. We the ogbonge people will not go agree, oh, because I know say Chioma love you well. This one where you can carry, maybe you want carry Chioma separate. We see the wash. We are still washing. With the kind of social media, we are still washing. Because you know if you just carry your two baby mama like that, without Chioma not just go, we get a CB. Really. I made a talk calm, the guy be my people. You get the way the thing they play. At least Chioma supposed follow you. Yeah. Chioma supposed follow you. The truth have to be said, my people. They say when you for talk truth, they don't they die for there. And you could just go Ghana. Even see what they there. Your two baby mamas, they there. Then you call your leave Chioma. Chioma na one of your baby mama, 3 baby mama now you get. I be 4, I don't know. But at least Chioma supposed they there too. Only you and the Davido, fear God though. Davido, fear God though. This is what you do, so you're not doing away. I don't lie, you're not doing away, my brother. You're not doing away. May you reason now. How that poor girl go they feel now? She not go there happy. Okay, you want to tell me say these 2 women, beautiful women like that, you not jogodo there for the Davido, I don't trust you, my brother. I don't trust you. This one what you do, so you not do well, oh. My people, how na reason the matter. Me, the way me the reason I did different, though. Hey, but I don't know how the rest of the reason I share. So anyhow, I'm gonna leave a comment for the comment section. I'm gonna put the video more and see my daily people. Thank you. I'm gonna comment and more and me share the video and subscribe. Thank you. I'm gonna bring many ogbonge news where they come out for you. Thank you so much for coming around.
Daddy, I love you. Daddy, I love you.
I love you too.
Daddy, I love you.
Yeah.
I love you.
I love you too.
Why do you have a cool beard?
My shit lit, baby.
Imagine. Okay, since Imadi want to be a clown. My baby Haley's here.
No kisses for me.
My baby.
Mommy.
Are you happy to be in Ghana? Yeah.
Mommy, why is she not your daughter?
She's my daughter.
But that's her mom.
That's her mom, and I'm her mom too.
She has 2.
She has 2 mommies. You're happy?
Yeah.
Yay.
Happy New Year! Wait, I like it. I'm playing with this. I want to also play with my cat.
Imade.
I
It's not a cat, it's a tiger.
want to play with my
Imade.
mommy.
Yay.
That's a cat.
It's a tiger, it's not a cat.
I want to.
So, long life, prosperity, more money, love, happiness, peace, and joy. More classics. More bangers. Haley, show me yourself. Haley, show me yourself. Where are you?
Where are you on the bed?
Is that you?
No, this one
And
is.
she said yes. He's so cute.
Haley, that's you? Oh, shy Haley.
I think this is me.
Nah, that's
Is
Haley.
that me?
No.
It's you.
I know. Yeah, that's you right there. Oh.
I have, but I have.
Open it. I told her I'm getting her drunk today. Wow, 2 bottles in how many minutes?
2 minutes.